Hello, this is Harry. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you several ways to remove watermark from an image by using Adobe Photoshop and not using Photoshop, because we have so many tools can do the job quickly and easily. Adobe Photoshop is the best photo editing software and it can handle all tasks. For simple watermarks, it is super easy to remove with its Smart Remover tool. For example, in this image, the watermark is added on a simple background without any blending colors. You can press Ctrl and J on PC or Command and J to duplicate the layer first. Then head to Remove tool, brush over the watermark text or image. Then save the file. But if the watermark has a complex background with blending colors, the Remove or Erase tool won't do the job well, according to the watermark type, one or multiple. There are two ways to remove a complex watermarking in Adobe Photoshop. If there is only one watermark, you can press Ctrl and J on Windows or Command and J on Mac to duplicate the layer. Then choose the Quick Selection tool and select the watermark image. Then go to Select, Modify, Expand. Select 2 pixels or adjust according to your need. Go to Edit, Fill, choose Content Aware and click OK. If there are multiple text watermarks, the process will be quite different. Press Ctrl and J on Windows or Command and J on Mac to duplicate the layer. Go to Select, choose Color Range. Select Sampled Colors here, uncheck Invert. Choose the Side Dropper tool, zoom in your image, and pick the image color. Decrease the fuzziness until you see nothing but the watermark. Click OK. Go back to Select, Modify, Expand, and click OK. Go to Edit, Fill, choose Content Aware, click OK. Press Ctrl and D on Windows or Command and D on Mac to delete the selected watermarks. Finally, save the file. If you want to remove photo watermark easily without using Photoshop by just clicking several buttons, Luminar Neo helps. It is an AI-powered photo editing tool and easy to use. You just need to go to Edit, then choose Erase tool. Adjust the brush size, brush over the watermark and click Erase. It does great on watermarks that added on a simple background. When remove watermark from blending background, you can notice some traces, but it is still good at erasing. Also, you can try online free image watermark remover services, like Pixel Bin. You are allowed to remove watermark in 2 images per day, though the process is slow. The results are good. In my testing, I uploaded 3 photos, one with watermark text, one with logo, and one with multiple text watermarks, by removing text or logo. This tool erased my photos with just a few of clicks. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like or subscribe.